Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you learning English? Great! Let's learn English with a very interesting story. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get started.
Anna is a little girl who lives in a small village near a big forest. She is 8 years old and loves animals, trees, and walking in nature. Every weekend, Anna walks in the forest with her father. They talk, laugh, and watch the birds and squirrels. One morning, Anna wakes up early and feels happy. The sun is shining and the sky is blue. She eats her breakfast quickly and tells her mother she wants to go for a walk. Her mother gives her a sandwich and says, "Be careful, Anna. Don't go too far. The forest is big and you can get lost." Anna smiles and says, "I'll be careful, Mommy." She puts the sandwich and a water bottle in her small bag, takes her favorite teddy bear, Toby, and walks out the door. She walks near the forest and sees butterflies flying. She hears birds singing and sees a deer eating grass. She is very happy and enjoys the fresh air. Suddenly, Anna sees a white rabbit. It is small and cute. The rabbit hops behind a tree. Anna laughs and follows it. "Wait, little rabbit," she says. The rabbit runs fast, and Anna runs after it. She does not look where she is going. After some time, the rabbit disappears, and Anna stops. She looks around and sees only trees. She does not know this place. Everything looks new. "Where am I?" she asks. She turns left, then right, but she does not see the path to her house. She is lost. She feels scared and hugs her teddy bear. "Toby, I don't know where we are," she whispers. But Anna remembers her father's words. "If you are lost, don't be afraid. Stay calm. Listen to the forest. It can help you." Anna takes a deep breath and listens. She hears the wind in the trees. She hears birds singing. Then she hears a different sound, water. It is the sound of a river. "Maybe I can find the river," she says. She walks slowly, following the sound. After a few minutes, she sees a small river. The water is clear, and it flows gently. She sits on a rock, drinks some water from her bottle, and eats her sandwich. She feels better now. Suddenly, she hears a noise. Crack! Something is moving in the bushes. Anna holds Toby tightly. "Who's there?" she asks. She sees a shadow behind the trees. Anna sees a shadow behind the trees, and her heart beats fast. She feels a little scared, but stays quiet. Then, a small dog comes out of the bushes. It is brown and has a red collar. The dog looks friendly and wags its tail. "Hello, little dog," Anna says, smiling. "Are you lost too?" The dog barks softly and walks around her. Anna looks at the collar. There is a name tag. It says Buddy. Anna says, "Hi, Buddy. Do you know the way home?" Buddy barks again and starts walking. He stops and looks back at Anna as if he wants her to follow. Anna stands up and follows Buddy. She walks slowly, watching the trees. Buddy walks ahead, but always looks back to check if she is there. After some time, they reach a big tree with red ribbons tied to it. Anna remembers this tree. Her father tied the ribbons to help find the way. "I know this place," she says with a big smile. "We are near my home." She feels happy and hopeful. Buddy barks and runs a little faster. Anna runs too, holding her teddy bear tight. She soon sees the small wooden bridge near her village. "I'm almost home," she says. As she crosses the bridge, she sees someone standing at the edge of the forest. It is her father. He looks worried. "Daddy!" Anna shouts and runs to him. Her father hugs her tightly. "Anna, where were you? We were looking for you," he says. "I'm sorry," says Anna. "I followed a rabbit and got lost, but Buddy helped me." Her father looks at the dog. "That's Mr. Green's dog," he says. "He lives near the river." "Thank you, Buddy." Anna's mother comes running too. She hugs Anna and says, "I'm so happy you are safe." Anna tells them everything about the rabbit, the forest, the river, and Buddy. Her parents listen and nod. "You were very brave," says her father, "and you remembered what I told you, to stay calm and listen to the forest." Anna smiles. "Yes, Daddy. The forest helped me, and so did Buddy." They walk home together, and Buddy walks with them. Anna feels tired but happy. She learned something important today. The forest is beautiful, but it must be respected. And when you are lost, you are not really alone. Sometimes help comes in small paws and wagging tails. Back at home, Anna sits on the sofa with a warm blanket. Her mother gives her a cup of hot milk, and her father lights a small fire in the fireplace. Buddy lies on the floor, resting after the walk. Anna looks at him and smiles. "He's a good dog," she says. "He is a hero." Her parents agree. "Tomorrow, we will take him back to Mr. Green," her mother says. Anna nods but feels a little sad. She already likes Buddy. That night, Anna goes to bed early. She hugs Toby and closes her eyes. But she cannot sleep right away. She thinks about the forest, the rabbit, the river, and the big tree with red ribbons. She also thinks about how it felt to be alone. I don't want to get lost again, she whispers. The next morning, Anna wakes up to the sound of birds outside. She feels better. After breakfast, she and her father take Buddy to Mr. Green's house. Mr. Green is an old man with white hair and kind eyes. He is happy to see Buddy. Thank you for bringing him home, he says. He is very smart. He always finds the way. Anna pets Buddy gently. He helped me when I was lost, she says. Mr. Green smiles. Then Buddy has a new friend. Before they leave, Mr. Green gives Anna a small compass. This is for you, he says. It shows the direction, north, south, east, and west. It can help you find your way. Anna says thank you and puts the compass in her pocket. On the way home, she looks at the trees and thinks, next time I go to the forest, I will be ready. She begins to write in her notebook when she gets home. She writes about her adventure, about the rabbit, the river, Buddy, and the compass. She wants to remember everything. Later, she shows the notebook to her parents. This is very good, her mother says. Maybe you can make it into a story. Anna's eyes shine. Yes, I will call it Lost in the Forest. Her father laughs. That's a perfect title. Anna continues to write more each day. She learns new words and writes new sentences. She also learns more about the forest, about plants, animals, and how to stay safe. Every time she walks in the forest now, she carries her compass, some food, water, and of course, Toby. One weekend, Anna's school plans a nature trip. The teacher says, we will go to the forest and learn about trees, animals, and how to be safe in nature. Anna feels excited. She knows the forest well now. She raises her hand and asks, can I bring my compass? The teacher smiles and says, yes, Anna, that is a good idea. On the day of the trip, Anna packs her small backpack. She puts in her compass, water bottle, notebook, a snack, and of course, Toby the teddy bear. The students walk together with the teacher and two helpers. They see birds flying, ants building a nest, and even a deer in the distance. Anna shows her friends the red ribbon tree. This tree helped me when I was lost, she says. Her friend Mia asks, were you scared? Anna nods. Yes, but I stayed calm. I listened to the forest. I found the river, and then Buddy the dog found me. The children listen carefully. Some are surprised. Others want to hear more. Anna's teacher hears the story too and says, you are very brave, Anna. And you learned something important. Anna feels proud. She shows her friends how to use the compass. She points north and says, if you know where north is, you can find the way home. The other students try the compass too. They laugh and take turns using it. After lunch, the class sits near the river. The teacher says, let's write about what we see and hear. Anna writes about the trees, the sky, the sound of water, and the smell of the forest. She writes, the forest is big. The forest is beautiful. But we must be careful and kind when we walk here. When the trip ends, the students walk back to school. Anna looks back at the forest and smiles. It is not a scary place anymore. It is her friend. That night, Anna adds more pages to her story. She draws pictures too, of the red ribbon tree, the river, Buddy, and her compass. She wants to make a book one day. Her parents say, you are learning so much, Anna. Anna says, I want other kids to learn too. I want them to know how to stay safe and not be afraid. A few days later, Anna's teacher asks the class to share something they have learned this month. Some students talk about animals, others talk about stars or sports. When it's Anna's turn, she stands up and holds her notebook. I want to share my story, she says. It's called Lost in the Forest. The classroom gets quiet. Everyone listens. Anna begins reading. She tells them about the rabbit, the trees, the river, and how she felt when she was lost. She explains how she stayed calm, how Buddy helped her, and how she found the way home. She also shows her compass and says, this little thing helped me learn how to find my direction. When she finishes, the class claps. Her teacher says, that was a wonderful story, Anna. You used simple words, but your message was strong. Anna smiles and sits down. Her best friend Mia whispers, you should write more stories. Maybe one day you'll be a writer. That evening, Anna thinks about what Mia said. She takes her notebook and starts a new page. At the top, she writes, new story ideas. She lists things she wants to write about, her village, her dog friend Buddy, the seasons in the forest, and how animals live in the wild. She also writes, teach kids simple words so they can learn English with stories. She shows her notebook to her father. He reads it and says, Anna, you are not just learning. You are helping others learn too. The next weekend, Anna and her parents visit Mr. Green again. Buddy runs to her happily. Can I take him for a walk? Anna asks. Mr. Green nods. Of course. He likes you. Anna and Buddy walk along the river path. She watches the birds fly and hears the leaves move in the wind. She tells Buddy, maybe our next story will be about you. Buddy barks softly as if he understands. Anna laughs and hugs him. The forest feels peaceful. It feels like home. 1 month later, Anna's school has a story day. Students bring their stories and read them in front of other classes. Anna brings her finished storybook, Lost in the Forest. She has drawn pictures and written simple English so that everyone can understand. When it's her turn, she stands on the stage and reads with a clear voice. Everyone listens carefully. Some students smile, and some teachers nod their heads. When she finishes, the room claps loudly. Her teacher says, "Anna, you have written a beautiful and brave story. You showed us that even when we are afraid, we can be strong." After the event, some younger students come to Anna and say, "We want to learn English too. Can you help us with stories?" Anna feels happy and proud. She says, "Yes, let's learn together." That evening, Anna sits by the window with Toby and her compass. She watches the sunset and thinks about her adventure. She was once lost, but she found more than just the way home. She found her voice, her courage, and her love for stories. Now, she is ready to help others learn and grow, one word at a time.